Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for She's Crafty Kits, and I am on video 15 for this series using these kits that I de-kitted and put back together into new kits for just a little extra zhuzh. So I've got a little bit of cardstock. I've got this piece by Paper Rose. Got some Fancy Pants Designs pieces, and then I believe this is Simple Stories. The color just worked. Got a couple pieces I fussy cut from a scrap of cute little queen bees from Fancy Pants Designs as well. Let's see. For my alpha, I have all three of these guys. These were my favorite alpha since the dawn of time. So I have some that have barely any in it. So anytime I use them for a kit, I just pack them all. I've got some Fancy Pants Designs little die cuts, some One Canoe 2 little pieces to bring in a bit of the pink. I have got some fabric stars that are nice and squishy, a little bit of sequins, a coffee shop wood piece, a coffee cup, some enamel dots, and then a home is where you are that will not be used. So I'm just going to put that aside right now because it just isn't gonna, just not gonna work for what I'm gonna do my photo on. Okay, so that is that. Now here's the photo. This is the photo of myself grabbing a cuppa, like within like 2 miles of my house. No big deal, the location. Now I did go ahead and grabbed, I had a printout, which it's really hard for you guys to see. So let me show you what we have. Now this is from Lynn Furlonger, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Let's get rid of that glare. Oh my word. So it's a double page, right? I think I'm going to use this side. I only have one photo. It's fine. We've got a couple of tags here. Some really nice big blocks of pattern paper and a visual triangle. Super versatile. I think that will be fun and easy peasy. So let me put my little bumblebees to the side. I'll go ahead and grab a piece of white cardstock and mat that. And of course I'll mat it up with all kinds of whatever scraps I have. I just need to take a second. All right, so now this one's going to be also matted. So I'll go ahead and do it matte like that. Then I'm gonna have a couple of really nice, we have nothing to lose and a world to see. Neat. And then well, maybe I can just use that like that. Cut a couple of big giant blocks and I'll have some big giant blocks in there just like that. That's going to end up working because that's about the vibe of the layout. Now I do need to color up my cute little bits to match. I have a nice amount of this pinky color that's in here. Here's a better way to put it, this color. So I'm going to work on getting some of that into my woodcut. I'm going to get these pieces on and I'll meet you right back here. Let's do a quick check-in time. I've got my wood pieces are taken care of. I'm missing a bumblebee, guys. Do you guys see a bee? So I'm missing a bee. There's a bee that goes right there. Well, okay. Well, in theory, I have 3 bees, as it were. But she is missing. We will find her. Oh, here she is. All right. So this is about where my cluster is going to go. I like this vibe. I need to come up with a title, but it's a little bit busy. So I was looking at these One Canoe 2 willow pieces that we have, and I thought we might be able to create some nice white space with them. Like if I, but I would need some more of that color if I did that one. Let's go ahead and get some. Oh, I so like bringing in that pink. That's cute. Wonder if I can do that in a couple of spots. So that takes care of the pink. I also very much like this teal color, which is pretty darn interesting. Let's see. I don't need the property of or personal library of, but I can bring this. Very nice, very nice. We have that. I like the idea of bringing in even more. So let's just see if we can use them all. Why not? Why not? So I only have a small piece of that there. I don't want it on the top. I thought I would, but I don't. But I do like that we are adding this nice little bit of white space. Okay, we have that there. That one has one, that one has one, that one has one. All right, I'm going to try to be satisfied with that. Perfect. Now, I have, is it just the 3 photo corners left? I was seeing if there's like 2 rows or not. There we go. That's an easier way to get in there. Oh, guys, I have plenty of photo corners, so I'll bring in some of this on my photo. Perfect. Now this down here, I think I'm gonna have treat yourself. And if I do not have enough room with this, I can bring in, ooh, I actually like that. A little bit more of this blue. So we have that. That's awesome. Guys, I'm gonna just use these. This is ridiculous. We can just use them up. So let's get a little bit of the teal here, bringing in more white. This. Do we want it over here? Well, I don't even know if we'd see it if it's over there. We'll go like that. Perfect. So let's get all of those pieces on. I need to get this around my photo. And then, guys, we have all of these gorgeous pieces. I can start layering, right? We've got these fabric stars. I have got enamel dots, and I've got sequins. So I have plenty of things to layer up. Let me do all of that, and I'll meet you right back here to finish this up. All right, y'all, so that is this layout finished. I've got a couple of the white enamel dots, a little bit of the sequins going on, just to add a nice little punch. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some glaze on the little wings of my bees, just so that they have a little bit extra shine. But that's what I have for you guys today. So that is that for day 15 from this fab designer. Thank you so much for giving me some great inspiration. Bye for now, guys. Oh, and still shots to follow.